Want to program a key fob for your 2005 Toyota Celica? It's a simple DIY task that can save you money. This process syncs the remote's transmitter with your car's ECU through ignition key turns and button presses. First, ensure you have a working ignition key, not the fob itself, access to the driver's seat, and the new key fob. No tools are needed. High-quality compatible fobs are available online, and the DIY method has a high success rate when following steps carefully. Remember to consult a professional if you're unsure. Here's how to program your Celica's key fob. Insert the key into the ignition. Cycle through the off-on-off positions while pressing the fob buttons. The car will confirm sync with horn beeps or lights. For 2000 to 2001 models, hold the lock button while cycling. For 2002-2005 models, press lock and unlock simultaneously. Always check your owner's manual for specific year instructions. If it fails, try testing the fob's battery with a 3-volt CR2025 or checking for ECU faults. Patience is key. Incomplete cycles can erase all fobs, so repeat with a known working one if this occurs. With Celicas averaging 150,000 to 300,000 miles, corrosion in key cylinders can complicate programming.